In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Podia subscription. If you've decided Podia isn't the right fit anymore or you're just wrapping up a project, I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can cancel confidently and avoid surprise charges. First, head to your Podia dashboard. Open your browser and go to the Podia app, then sign in so you land on the main dashboard. This is your home base where you manage products, customers, and settings. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. Next, look to the top right corner of the dashboard and click your account name or profile. That opens a drop-down menu with your account options. This is where Podia keeps administrative settings, including your subscription details. From that drop-down, choose Billing. The billing page shows your active plan, your current billing period, and the payment method on file. Take a moment to review what you're currently subscribed to and when your next charge would occur, so you know exactly what will change. On the billing page, find your plan and click Edit next to the plan you want to cancel. This opens the plan management screen. Here, select the option to cancel plan. Podia will show a confirmation view outlining what canceling means for your access, along with the date your plan will end. Read this carefully so you understand when features will wind down. To finish up, click Cancel to confirm. After you confirm, your subscription stays active until the end of your current billing period, and then it will stop renewing. You won't be billed again after that period ends. Until that date, you can continue to use the features included in your plan, so it's a good time to wrap up any pending tasks or export information you might need later. You should see an on-screen confirmation that the cancellation is scheduled, and you may receive a confirmation email as well. If you don't see a message right away, refresh the billing page and verify that the plan shows it's set to end at the stated date. Keep an eye on your next billing date to ensure everything lines up with what you expect. That's all there is to it. Open your Podia dashboard, use the account dropdown to reach billing, click Edit on your plan, choose Cancel Plan, and confirm. With those steps done, your subscription will wind down at the end of the current cycle and you'll avoid future charges. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel your Podia subscription smoothly.